Hello and welcome back to e-CBSE online classes. We are continuing the module statistics from mathematics class 10th. The specific topic is calculation of median using ungrouped frequency distribution tables. This is part C2 of the video series in this module. In the previous few videos, we have learnt about measures of central tendency, mean, median and mode. Specifically for the mean, we have worked out how to calculate it from the ungrouped frequency distribution tables as well as the group frequency distribution tables, and we have also looked at how to calculate the mode using group data. Now in this video, let us turn our attention to the calculation of median. Okay, so the definition of median is: the median is that value of a given number of observations which divides the data set into exactly two parts. Okay, when we say dividing the data into exactly two parts, the first step is we need to arrange the data in a sorted way, either ascending or descending. Okay, let's say there are odd number of observations. Median is directly n plus 1 by 2th observation. Here n is equal to 15. After calculating, n plus 1 by 2 is coming out as 8. So I take the value of 8th observation directly. That becomes my median. So what happens if my number of observations is even? When n is even, median is the average of n by second and n by 2 plus 1th observations. Here n is equal to 16, n by 2 is 8 and n by 2 plus 1 is equal to 9. So I need to take the average of 8th and 9th observations. Okay, here in both these examples the number of observations are small and easy to handle. But what happens if you have more number of data points? How to deal when there are more number of observations? So that is where we'll start using the help of ungrouped frequency distribution tables. Okay, let's look at how to calculate median using ungrouped frequency distribution table. Let's say you have a data of marks obtained by 100 students out of 50 marks. So I'm directly taking a frequency distribution table which is like this. On the first column we have marks and on the second column we have frequency. Again, remember, the summation of frequency should match the total number of observations that you have started with. Okay, here sum of second column is coming out as 100, so the distribution table is correct. Okay, so my question is here, how to calculate the median, correct? Median is basically the middle value after sorting out. Okay, what is the middle value? Here n is equal to 100, correct? That is an even number. So when there is even number, what did we look at? We should take n by second and n by second plus 1th observation. So here n by 2 is 50, n by 2 plus 1 is 51. So my median is average of 50th and 51st observations. Okay, we need to look at 50th and 51st observations of this data. How to do that? My data is not sorted yet. So first step is basically to sort the data. Okay, so I'm building the same table like the one which is there on the screen right now, but I start to arrange the marks in an ascending order. Okay, the minimum value here is 20. So the first row is 20 and corresponding frequency is 6. Next value is 25 and corresponding frequency is 20. Next value is 28 and corresponding frequency is 24. Next is 29 and the frequency is 28. Next is 33, its corresponding frequency is 15. Next 38 and frequency is 4. The next value is 42 and the frequency is 2. And the last value is 43 and corresponding frequency is 1. Okay, again here the total number of observations should match as 100. Okay, now can we look at what is the 50th observation and what is the 51st observation? It's still not clear, correct? Let's do side work on a separate table. I'm building a separate table here. So the first row will be the smallest marks, that is 20, and its corresponding number of students is 6. Okay, from the second row onwards the calculation will be slightly different. So I would say up to 25. Okay, when you say up to 25, you should include the number of students who obtained marks of 20, and also you should include the number of students who obtained 25 marks. So that would be 6 plus 20. So that is 26. So the number of students who have obtained marks up to 25 will be 26. The next is up to 28. So you need to add 24 to 26. So 26 plus 24 is 50. Okay, next is up to 29. You need to add 28 to the value of 50. So that becomes 78. The next is up to 33. So 78 plus 15 is equal to 93. The next is up to 38. So 93 plus 4 is equal to 97. Similarly, up to 42, it will be 97 plus 2, that is equal to 99. And the last row is up to 43, that is 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. Again, a quick check here is, if you do the calculation right, the value on the last row should be equal to the total number of observations that you have considered in the beginning. Okay, so this is a cumulative frequency. So I'm adding a column here. This is called cumulative frequency. So I will just copy the numbers on the second row of the third table here. That is 6, 26, 50, 78, 93, 97, 99 and finally 100. Okay. Okay, now from this table our objective is to find 50th and 51st observations, because my median is the average of 50th and 51st observations, correct? So how to calculate the 50th data here? We need to look at the cumulative frequency column of the second table. Okay, now carefully observe the third row. Okay, here the cumulative frequency is 50. That means 50 people have obtained 28 or below marks. So that clearly says that the 50th student has obtained 28 marks. So my 50th observation is 28. Similarly, the next row is cumulative frequency 78, correct? That means my 51st student must have obtained 29 marks. So my 51st observation is 29. So average of 28 plus 29 is 28.5. So the median of given data is 28.5. So this is how we can use ungrouped frequency distribution tables to calculate the median of a big number of observations. Okay, stay tuned. In the next video, we are going to look at how to calculate median using the grouped frequency distribution tables. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, e-CBSE online classes. Thanks for watching.